Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Android phone's camera into an iPhone like camera. So in here, what you need to do is just install this app on the Google Play Store. It's called Camera iPhone 16 camera. So this camera here has the 0.5 style for Android. So if you see my default camera in here, there are no options of 0.5 camera. So here I've already downloaded the apps, this one. So you can just tap on the camera options in here, camera apps, and then you'll see there will be this 0.5 lens on the camera. So this is the normal camera and this is the 0.5. Okay, you can see the difference. And there's also this live photo that you can try on the camera, and in here for the settings you can see there will be the splash. You can use timer, you can use grid. This is the live photo, and there's also this to change the ratio or the size of the photo. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can change your Android phone camera into iPhone like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.